Hello, everyone. So here is a chapter 28 from 10th edition Resnick Holidays. It is section 7, torque on a current loop in chapter 28. So it's question number 49. Question reads, figure 28.45, this is the concerned figure, shows a rectangular 20-turn coil of wire of dimensions 10 centimeter by 5 centimeter. It carries a current of 0.1 ampere and is hinged along one long side. It is mounted in the XY plane at angle theta equal to 30° to the direction of a uniform magnetic field of magnitude 0.5 Tesla. In unit vector notation, what is the torque acting on the coil about the hinge line? So let's come to the solution. The torque is given by M cross vector B. Here M is the magnetic moment. Magnetic moment direction is given by right hand rule. So if you curl your fingers in the direction of current, thumb will give you the direction of magnetic moment. So as shown in the diagram, if you curl your finger in clockwise direction, the thumb will point into the paper, that is minus k cap direction. And the magnitude of magnetic moment is NIA. N is the number of turns, I is the current, and A is the area of the current loop. So this comes out to be minus 20. So basically magnetic moment is minus 20 into 50 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 0.1 k cap. Here 20 is the number of turns and 0.1 is the current, and 50 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square is the area. So magnetic moment comes out to be minus 0.01 k cap. Once we have found magnetic moment, now let us find the magnetic field. So magnetic field is given in XY plane and it makes an angle theta with x degree, and theta is equal to 30°. So along x-axis, it is the magnetic field is 0.5 Tesla. So along x-axis, it becomes 0.5 cos 30. And along z direction, it becomes 0.5. This is y, this is z. So it becomes 0.5 sine 30. Now the value of magnetic field becomes, in unit vector notation, it is 0.4330 I cap plus 0.25 k cap. Now we need to find the cross product between magnetic moment and magnetic field to find the torque. So cross product between M and B is given by this matrix I, J, K, and then we write M. M is 0, 0, and minus 0.01. And magnetic field is 0.433 I cap, J cap is 0, and K cap is 0.25. So the I component of the torque is 0 because we find like this. So it becomes 0. And then J component is found like this. So which is minus 0.433 into 0.01. Okay, so and K cap component is also 0. So torque is equal to 4.33 into 4.33 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton meter, and the direction is minus J cap.